Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today, I am going to take an English literature class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is Unit 1. From Unit 1, we will learn true, false, question answer and synonym antonym in today's class. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for your half yearly 2022. This is the class for the students of class 3. Our subject is English literature. Topic Unit 1, true, false, synonym antonym and question answer. This is your lecture number 2 and your HW number also 2. This is your teacher MahmuduR and my phone number 01735 852285. And our today's date is 1st February 2022. Okay, let's start the class. At first, we will learn 4 synonym antonym from Unit 1. The base words, synonym and antonym. The first word, big. The synonym of big is large and antonym is small. The second word, gloomy. The synonym of gloomy is dull and antonym is bright. Word number 3, frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, frightened, and synonym is afraid, antonym brave. And the last word, dirty. The synonym of dirt is filthy. I pronounce again filthy, F-I-L-T-H-Y, and antonym is clean. There are 4 questions from this unit, Unit 1. I will read the questions one by one and then answer them. Question number 1. What did Priya think on the way to her new house? Answer. Priya thought how her new home would be and if she would have any new friends there. Question number 2. Was Priya happy to find the kitten in the garden? Why? The answer. Priya was happy to find the kitten in the garden because she wished she had a pet. Question number 3. What did the kitten do once it was clean? The answer. The kitten shook itself and mewed softly. Then it jumped out of Priya's arms and ran out of the garden happily. And the final question, question number 4. Why did Priya name the kitten Fluffy? Answer. After cleaning, the kitten became all white and fluffy. So, Priya named it Fluffy. So, these are the question answers from your Unit 1. Now, we will learn some true-false questions. Question number A. Priya was excited that she was moving to a new house. This is false. When a statement is false, we will write false, and if the statement is true, we will write true. Number B. The kitchen was filled with unpacked boxes. True. From the story at the beginning, we learned that the kitchen was filled with unpacked boxes. Number C. Priya wrote a letter to her grandmother. False. We know that Priya wrote a letter to her grandfather. And the last one, Priya found the kitten inside a basket in the garden. So this statement is true. So my dear students, from today's class, your homework, your HW number 2 will be question answer. Question answer will be your homework for today's class. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed today's class and understood every topic very well. If you have any further problem or any inquiries, please contact me through my mobile number or my messenger. See you in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.